Your everyday gaming nerd has arrived. SacredEdge is here with his first ever unboxing video. Have you guys heard the cat ears headphone made by Accentware? You know, this one? According to the Indiegogo site, the campaign is a huge success. They raised more than $3.4 million and it was supposed to release on November of 2015. If you're expecting this to be a real deal, then I'm sorry to disappoint you. It is not the thing that we were expecting to be. As you can see, it is not made by Accentware. Well, at least it's something, I guess. What I meant of that, because I only got this in an arcade, UFO catcher. 4 tries for 400 yen. Ain't that amazing? Anyway, this is the box of the figure. I mean, headphones. Kitty cat anime headphones. The front, the back, the side, the ears that illuminates the light, the brand itself, waifu, and the name of the item. Anyway, time to unbox this Nekomimi thing, so let's do that.
Yes.
To cringe or not to cringe? Man, how's it look? Am I look retardedly stupid or something?
You look terrible in that cat.
I know, right? Look at me. I'm one of your kawaii shit right here.
You look like a shit.
I know, right? Hold on. Oh no, I'm so kawaii and shit. Oh god. Anyway, as you can see, this shit right here, as you all see, this shit right here is actually, well, it's a headphone, yeah. I mean, just look at it. It's a headphone, yeah, but this is how it looks. It's just a pretty kawaii anime-esque hairdo, or Pinterest, I guess. Right. Overall, this is actually pretty cute. Despite the real thing hasn't been released yet, at least we got something for now. As for a headphone, the quality is terrible. But you can at least use it as an accessory for being cute. That is, at least it looks cute in my perspective. If you're going to show this to your friend's gonna be super jealous that you got a Ugu Kawaii Neko headgear. Ain't that amazing? Well now, this is the end of the unboxing video. I hope you enjoyed this video, or else I'm gonna hunt you in your sleep. Anyway, someday at the Sea of Stars, I see you guys on the next video. Until next time!